Here we are off of South Lagoon at the community boat ramp.
I'm so excited. Right around the corner, we have a short-term rental or a long-term. I can't wait to show them this house.
Let's go.
When I'm in your arms, leaves my heart weak.
This spacious, open concept living and dining room has everything you need for that perfect beach house.
I'm lost out in the haze. You take my breath away to another place. Yeah, you're my daylight. Yeah, you're my...
This right-sized kitchen has everything you need, whether it's for a vacation home or a rental property.
Yeah, you're my daylight.
Beautiful sun-filled main ensuite.
So how close do you think this is to the beach?
Super close. You've got South Lagoon here, and we're right near Rick Seltzer Park.
I love it.
Yeah, you're my daylight. Don't waste time. Wanna keep it moving in the moonlight.
So for more information, look at the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.